All right, I've got the 2025 Trailhunter, which is equipped with its own compressor and back. And you just plug in the cable that's in the trunk of the car. I've got it hooked up to this Hyundai, and it calls for 34 pounds. So you just hook it up, and then you come over and you hit start, and it does the rest for you, and it'll tell you when it's finished. Kind of a handy little tool here, right, built in. Set at 34. And finished. Unplug it, put it in the little bag, put it below in the storage, and you're done.